So we're at Griffith Park again, and we've got the beautiful Hollywood sign there, and there is a bit of cloud around today, but it's still looking magnificent. It's absolutely scorching hot. It's 80 degrees already, and it's only 7:45, so it's only coming up to 8 o'clock in the morning. So I don't know what sort of temperature we're going to reach for the rest of the day, but like I say, it's scorching hot now. Oh, look at the view we've got there. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a lovely place, Griffith Park is, and look at this tree. That looks absolutely amazing as well. I think that looks quite unusual, that picture of the observatory there with all the cloud on it. So let's walk up this right hand side of the observatory. We'll see the James Dean statue in a second. So let's just have a look across at the Hollywood sign there. And then, like I say, we've got the James Dean statue there. That looks really, really good. So that's the lift shaft. That lift will take you down to the bottom level of the observatory. The view's just breathtaking. We'll see downtown LA in a second when we get round the back here. And like I say, it's beautiful here. Amazing. Yeah, absolutely incredible view, isn't it, that downtown LA? It's unreal. See all the walking paths as well. And the area there looks amazing. So we're just going to carry on now round Griffith Park here, round the back, and see what we can see as we go round here. Got there now another absolute wonderful view of downtown LA, and you can hear the sirens as well in the distance, so something's going down. I love walking around the back here, it's really, really good. So we're going to go down here now, go down the steps, and have a look at the back way. So I'm probably going to do now something we shouldn't do, but we always do. We're going to go up and down here and touch the door that we always tend to touch. So let's go check that out. Look at the sky. So we'll go down these steps here. And this is a tradition really that we always do. And as we get down the bottom, you'll see a door on the observatory. And every time we come, we do come down here and touch that door like Daryl's just done. And there's your door. Touched it. So that's that done for another year. So again, look at the absolutely wonderful view we've got here. Downtown LA just looks absolutely amazing. Let's walk up the side and back up to the front lawn here at Griffith. And as we go up here, it's absolutely amazing as well. We've got all these beautiful cacti here, or palm, or I don't know what they actually are, but they are nice. So we're coming up here now to the front lawn. Beautiful at the front lawn. It really is nice. You've got the observatory there to the left hand side, and you've got all this lovely lawn area here that looks absolutely amazing. Really nice. And look at the sundial and the big monument behind it. That looks amazing as well. And look at all the hummingbirds there as well, humming around that bush. Well, they're actually in the bush now. You can't see them. Yeah, they're sitting in the bush, aren't they, there? So we're heading back now to the car, and we're going to go to the next destination, which we'll decide on in a second. So we are going to come back to Griffith Park one last time tomorrow morning. So that's good. I'm so glad about that, because it's an absolute amazing place.